Welcome to this module on the Twiist Automated Insulin Delivery, or AID system, the first FDA-cleared version of one of the earlier versions of DIY Loop. In this module, we will explore how the Twiist AID system works step by step and how it helps simplify and improve daily diabetes management. The Twiist AID system combines three essential components: the Twiist pump, a small tubed insulin pump that holds 300 units of insulin, a compatible glucose sensor, currently the FreeStyle Libre 3 Plus sensor, which streams glucose readings every minute, and the Twiist Loop algorithm that is hosted on the Twiist pump and controlled via the Twiist app on an iPhone and/or a compatible Apple Watch. Reports and data sharing is possible through Tidepool, allowing you and your healthcare team to review patterns, make informed decisions, and personalize your therapy. The Twiist Insight app allows family and caregivers to follow the user in real time. The Twiist AID system is FDA-cleared and backed by Sequel MedTech. It includes robust safety features such as occlusion detection, glucose safety limits, and customizable alerts. Unlike open-source systems, updates and customer support are provided directly by the manufacturer, giving you peace of mind while still offering flexibility and personalization. Before we begin, please note that this module is for educational purposes only and is not a substitute for medical advice. Always consult with your healthcare provider before making any changes to your diabetes treatment. The videos were produced by Dr. Inge van Boxelaar, the founder of Diabetotech, and an endocrinologist at the General St. Lucas Hospital in Ghent, in Belgium. The content was reviewed by Gary Scheiner, a certified diabetes care and education specialist from Integrated Diabetes Services in the US. Here you can see their disclosures. Their expertise and personal experiences ensure that the information presented in the videos is comprehensive and unbiased. By the end of this module, you will have a clear understanding of how the Twiist AID system works, how to set it up, how to navigate the app, and how to handle real-life situations such as exercise, meals, sick days, and travel. Whether you are a person with diabetes beginning your journey with automated insulin delivery, a caregiver looking to support a loved one, or a healthcare provider guiding patients, this module will equip you with the knowledge and confidence to use the Twiist AID system effectively. Good luck and enjoy the journey with Twiist!